Hello everyone, in this video we'll walk you through a very practical Python automation project, the File Organizer app. This application helps us automatically organize files inside a folder based on their file extensions such as DOCX, PDF, JPG and so on. Projects like this are extremely useful in real life and help you understand how Python works with files and folders. Let's first understand what this app does at a high level. The program asks the user to enter a folder path. It then scans all files inside that folder and moves them into separate folders based on their file types. For example, all JPG files goes into the JPG folder, all PDF files go into a PDF folder, all DOCX files go into a DOCX folder. This is done automatically using Python's built-in libraries. We start by importing two important Python modules. The OS module helps us work with directories and file paths. The shutil module is used to move files from one location to another. These two libraries together make file handling very easy in Python. Here we simply print a title so the user knows which application is running. This improves user experience and makes the program more readable. The entire program runs inside a while true loop. This allows the user to organize multiple folders without restarting the program each time. Next, we ask the user to enter the path of the folder they want to organize. We also give the option to exit the program by typing X. If the user enters X, the loop breaks and the program exits gracefully. Before proceeding, we check whether the entered path actually exists. If the path is invalid, we display an error message and ask the user to try again. Here we use os.listdir to get a list of all files and folders present inside the given directory. We loop through each item in the folder. The os.path.splitExt function separates the file name and its extension. The extension includes a dot like .pdf. We remove the dot so the folder name becomes clean like PDF. If a file has no extension or if the item is already a folder, we skip it. This prevents unnecessary errors. Now we create a folder for the file type if it does not already exist. For example, if the extension is PDF, a folder named PDF is created. Finally, we move the file from the original folder into the appropriate extension folder using shutil.move. Once all files are processed, we display a success message to the user. The user is then asked if they want to organize another folder. If they choose yes, the program continues, otherwise it exits. Finally, the program exits by printing a message exiting File Organizer app. Goodbye. This brings the program to a clean and friendly exit. This project demonstrates how Python can automate real-world tasks using file handling. You learned how to work with folders, read file extensions, create directories, move files automatically. Try extending this project by adding features like date-based folders or logging. Thanks for watching.